Wow. That is more recoil than Kim Kardashian, brother. I don't know what to tell you. Like, here's the thing. Why do players who can't control recoil use high recoil guns? I just legitimately don't understand. It doesn't make any sense to me. Stop! Honestly, at this point, bro, just use the revolver. You can't aim with this shit!
Big man!
Stop! I just came in my pants. I'm not gonna lie, that was the greatest recovery of aura I've ever seen. On everything I love, that was the most aura that's ever been recovered in a single clip. Deadass! Legitimately. You were absolutely terrible till the end. You were absolutely